Hi everyone, it's Anne here. Welcome back. Today I wanted to talk about the slang word piss. This is a very informal word, and as a matter of fact, it is a vulgar slang. There are a couple of ways that we use this word. So first of all, this is a verb. And generally when we talk about going to the bathroom, you might hear people say, oh, like take a piss. And that is a vulgar and polite way to talk about going to the bathroom. Typically, we only use that for men, but a more polite way to say this, and you'll hear this more commonly in the US, is to go pee. Okay, so, but this is very informal. So, generally in a formal professional setting, we would just say, oh, I need to go to the bathroom or I need to use the restroom. So be careful who you use it with. Now, another meaning of piss, and this is a pretty common one, is to talk about or express anger. So if someone is really angry, they're very frustrated and annoyed with someone or something, they might say, oh, I'm pissed, or she's pissed, he's pissed. Now, again, this is informal, it's impolite, so be careful who you use it with and where you use it with. You might want to use it just with close friends or people who you know very well in an informal, casual setting. If you're in a business setting, a very professional setting, generally you would not want to use this to express anger. You might just say, oh, I'm really frustrated or I'm really angry. Now, unless you're extremely angry and you don't even care who you're with, where you're at, you don't care about your professionalism, then you might use this. But yeah, typically we don't use this in a business setting unless you are extremely angry. Now, when we want to talk about being angry at somebody, we could also use pissed at someone. So for example, I'm really pissed at her for acting like that, or I'm really pissed at them for not being honest. Now, we could also use pissed off as a phrasal verb to describe frustration and anger. So imagine, there might be somebody who's always constantly doing something. Maybe they're rude or they're misbehaving in a way that is making you mad and very annoyed. You might say, well, she's always acting up and giving me an attitude. It really pisses me off. Okay? Or it really pisses me off when she's always trying to act like she's right when clearly she's wrong. Or maybe you have a roommate who's a party animal who likes to blast music at night when you're trying to sleep. And after, communicating with them, you're not getting anywhere. And you might want to express your anger by telling somebody that, oh yeah, he or she is starting to piss me off with this loud music. Okay, so these are just a couple of ways that we use piss. We can say pissed at someone, or we can be pissed off about something or pissed off with somebody. I hope this was helpful. Again, this is a vulgar, impolite slang word, so be careful how you use it. If you are interested in learning other slang English words, check out these videos over here, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.